In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook Calendar not syncing with Office 365. Open Microsoft Outlook on your desktop. Once Outlook is open, go to the top toolbar and click View. In that toolbar, click Sync. This tells Outlook to resync all folders, including your calendar. Stay on the screen for a moment and watch for any error messages while the sync runs. If the sync finishes without any errors, click the calendar icon in the left sidebar and check whether your events have updated. If the calendar is still not syncing, move to the next fix. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of Outlook. In the Settings panel, look to the left sidebar and click General. Under General, click Offline. You will see the option called Enable Offline Email, People, and Calendar. Turn that option off. After that, close the Settings panel. Outlook will immediately reconnect to the server and start syncing your calendar again. If the issue is still there, open the Settings gear icon one more time. In the left sidebar, click Accounts. Then click Email Accounts. Find your Microsoft 365 account and click the Manage button beside it. In the Account Settings page, scroll down until you reach the option to remove the account. Click Remove, then confirm the removal. After the account is removed, close Outlook completely. Now reopen Outlook. You will be prompted to add an account again. Enter your Microsoft 365 email address slowly in the Sign-In field. Then continue through the sign-in process. Once you are signed in, Outlook will begin syncing your mailbox and calendar from scratch. Give it a moment to complete the initial connection. Then click the calendar icon in the left sidebar and check whether your events are now showing correctly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If your calendar still is not syncing, the next step is to repair the Outlook app in Windows settings. First, make sure Microsoft Outlook is fully closed. Then press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open Settings. In the Settings window, click Apps in the left sidebar. Next, click Installed Apps. At the top of the Installed Apps page, click the search bar and type Outlook. Wait for Outlook to appear in the results. Once you see it, click the three dots next to Outlook, then choose Advanced Options. On the next screen, scroll down until you reach the Reset section. In that section, click Repair. Windows will begin repairing the app. Wait for the repair process to finish completely. When the repair is done, open Outlook again. This repair process fixes common app issues without affecting your data or your account settings. So Outlook should open with your existing setup still in place. Once it opens, click the calendar icon in the left sidebar and check whether your calendar is syncing properly. If repair did not fix the problem, go back to the same settings window. Make sure you are still in the Reset section for Outlook. This time, click Reset. When the confirmation appears, confirm the reset. Windows will clear Outlook's local app data and return the app to a fresh state. After the reset finishes, reopen Outlook. You will need to sign in again, so enter your Microsoft 365 email address in the sign-in field and complete the sign-in process. Because the reset removes local app data, Outlook will rebuild the connection to your account and download your mailbox and calendar again from the server. No data is lost because everything is stored on the server. After applying the relevant fix, your Outlook calendar should sync properly with Office 365. New events created on any device should appear in Outlook, and changes made in Outlook should sync back to the server. To confirm everything is working, click the calendar icon in the left sidebar and make sure your calendar view shows your current up-to-date events.